the innovative ideas and papers, and the analytics that will soon permeate almost every aspect of our lives, and significantly it will impact the consumer goods through analyzing the advancement in the manufacturing of the healthcare, financial and retail sectors. Ladies and gentlemen, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. This quote reminds us that the future is not predetermined, but rather it is shaped by our actions and beliefs. So, dreaming and believing in yourself is must, because the future belongs to those who believe.
Atiti Devo Bhava. According to this principle, it's our first duty to felicitate the guest.
For that, I request Mr. Gopal Shinde sir to please felicitate Dr. M.R. Patil sir with bouquet, President of Rural Education Society. I request Mr. Gopal Shinde sir to please felicitate Dr. M.R. Patil sir. Thank you so much sir and welcome. Next, I request Dr. M.R. Patil sir to please felicitate our chief guest Dr. Sudhir Jagtap sir. Chairman Board of Studies Computer Science, SRT Marathwada University Nanded, also President SV Shikshan Prasarak Mandal Udgir. I request M.R. Patil sir to please felicitate our chief guest Dr. Sudhir Jagtap sir with shawl, bouquet and memento. Welcome, sir.
Now I request to call Dr. N.S. Zulpe sir to felicitate Dr. Mallikarjun Hangarge sir with shawl, shriffle and bouquet.
Mallikarjun Hangarge sir, Associate Professor, Karnatak Art, Science, Commerce College, Bidar. Principal. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Now, I request Mr. V.V. Bhosle sir to felicitate Dr. S.S. Chowhan sir, Associate Professor, JAIN, Dean, University, Bangalore with shawl, shriffle and bouquet.
Welcome, sir. After this, I request Mr. Samir Momin sir to please welcome Mr. Chandan Patil sir, Chairman of Mahatma Phule College, Jalkot. I request Samir sir to please felicitate Chandan Patil sir. Chandan Patil sir is Chairman of Mahatma Phule College, Jalkot. Welcome, sir.
Now I request to Mr. Asif Sodagar sir to felicitate Yandi Jagtap sir, Consultant Director, Microsoft Certified Trainer with bouquet. Welcome sir. Now I request to Samit Sheikh sir to felicitate Dr. N.S. Zulpe sir, Principal of COCSIT College, Latur with bouquet.
Welcome, sir. After this, I would like to request Rajagami sir to please felicitate Dr. V.V. Bhosle sir, Vice Principal of COCSIT, Latur. Mr. Rajagami sir, please felicitate Dr. V.V. Bhosle sir. Welcome, sir. After this, I request Mr. Kiran Shirsagar sir to please felicitate Dr. D.R. Somwanshi sir, also Vice Principal of COCSIT College. Dr. D.R. Somwanshi sir. Thank you, sir. After this, I request Ms. Sugave ma'am to please felicitate Dr. D.H. Mahamini ma'am, HOD of Computer Science Department, COCSIT.
I request to the Vice Principal of COCSIT College, Dr. D.R. Somwanshi sir, to please give the introduction of today's two-day national conference organized by COCSIT.
chairperson of this inaugural function of two-day National Conference on Machine Learning and Data Science, Honorable Dr. Patil sir, President, Railway Education Society, Latur. The chief guest, Honorable Sudhir Jagtap sir, Dr. Sudhir Jagtap sir, Chairman, Board of Studies, Computer Science, SRT Marathwada, Nanded, and President, Swami Vivekananda Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, Sudhir. The guest of honor, Honorable Dr. Mallikarjun Hangarge sir, Principal, Karnatak Art, Commerce and Science College, Bidar. Another guest of honor, Dr. Chowhan sir, Associate Professor, JAIN, Dean to the University, Bangalore. Our Consultant Director, Mr. Jagtap sir, and Honorable Patil sir, President, Bhosle, Dr. T.H. Mahamini, Dr. Bhosle sir, all the distinguished participants, dear colleagues and dear friends, good morning to all. It is my immense pleasure to welcome you all to this two-day conference on machine learning and data science. As we know, machine learning and data science are changing how we solve problems and make decisions. Data science and machine learning help organizations to make decisions, better decisions, and improve their efficiency. This conference serves as a platform for exchanging ideas and sharing the valuable research among the faculty members and students. It is also a good opportunity for us to learn about the latest trend in the data science and machine learning and understand the scope and the future of this technology and development. We have a panel of resource persons for this conference. Eminent resource person we have received for this conference. Immediately after this inauguration function, the keynote session will be delivered by Honorable Dr. Mallikarjun sir. His topic is exploring machine learning and its integral role in data science. Then the first plenary session will be delivered by respected Dr. Chowhan sir, and his topic is natural language processing and machine learning. The second plenary session will be delivered by Mr. Jagtap sir, and his title is Machine Learning with Microsoft Azure. In the next day of conference, the next day of the conference begins with the oral presentation of the participant. Session 1 of the oral presentation will be held at the first session of the next day of conference. Then, in the second day, we have two eminent resource persons. One is Dr. U.B. Kulkarni sir from SCGS Nanded, and his topic is the TensorFlow for deep learning. The second respected resource person for the second day is Dr. R.S. Hegde sir from Karnatak University, Kalburgi, and his topic is City Image Database is segmentation and analysis. Then the second oral presentation session will be held after this session. The best paper from the participants who are going to present their research paper over here will be selected and will be awarded in the Nanded program. So this is the overall schedule of this conference. In the next day of conference, the next day of the conference begins with the oral presentation of the participant. Session 1 of the oral presentation will be held at the first session of the next day of conference. Then, in the second day, we have two eminent resource persons. One is Dr. U.B. Kulkarni sir from SCGS Nanded, and his topic is the TensorFlow for deep learning. The second respected resource person for the second day is Dr. R.S. Hegde sir from Karnatak University, Kalburgi, and his topic is City Image Database is segmentation and analysis. Then the second oral presentation session will be held after this session. The best paper from the participants who are going to present their research paper over here will be selected
Mallikarjun Hangarge sir, Principal and Associate Professor, Karnataka Arts, Science and Commerce College, Bidar. Another guest of honor, Honorable Dr. S.S. Chowhan sir, Associate Professor, JAIN, Dean to University, Bangalore. My friend, Consultant Director of our college, Mr. M.D. Jagtap sir, Microsoft Certified Trainer. Another guest of honor, Honorable Patil sir, the Vice Principal of our college, Dr. Bhosle sir, Organizing Secretary and Vice Principal, Dr. D.R. Somwanshi sir, Dr. D.H. Mahamini ma'am, and all dear participants. At the outset, I take this opportunity to welcome all the researchers, all students and participants. I welcome you all to this two-day national conference on machine learning and data science. Talking about the theme of this conference, machine learning and data science, as you know, these are the buzzwords today, and day by day it is evolving very faster. The four terms are there: artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, and the deep learning. These four terms are interlinked with each other. But talking about solely machine learning, we have a number of applications that day-to-day life we are using these applications, and there is an inclusion of machine learning and data science in these applications. Take an example of Facebook. When we post any image or when we post any photograph on Facebook, what happens? Automatically tag suggestions will get. We will get the tag suggestions and we will get the name of that particular person. And that is the inclusion of machine learning with the help of deep face that is implemented by Facebook. And this is one of the research area of image recognition. The images, the photographs are recognized and automatically the face tagging system is enabled by the Facebook. This is one of the application of our machine learning. Another example that we can see, if we search any information on Google, first we text it. We are giving keywords for searching particular information on the site. But now we can search by voice also. Yes, we can give voice command and that voice is converted into text and automatically whatever the information is there, what information that you ask, the information is there in front of you. And very popular examples that we have iPhone. In iPhone we have Siri. We can ask anything to Siri. Siri will perform that particular task for you. Cortana is there, and many more applications that we can give so far as the machine learning is concerned. Then we are having traffic prediction also. So far as the traffic prediction is concerned, based on the current location of vehicle, we use Google Maps. When we visit any new place, we use Google Maps to reach our destination. And based on the current vehicle position, automatically it identifies, and based on the previous traffic condition as well as the live location, you'll get the best route, you'll get the optimal path to reach your ultimate destination. This is also the inclusion of machine learning in this application, we can say. Then a very common example that we know, that is the product recommendation. When we search for any product on Amazon, on Flipkart, the similar kind of advertisements are there on different social networking sites. The same advertisements we are getting. Here also there is inclusion of machine learning. Then we are having one more example we can say, that is about email spam and malware filtering. When we receive any mail to our inbox, automatically based on the content, it will categorize whether it is a normal mail, whether it is an important mail, or whether it is a spam mail. Based on the content of that particular mail, few machine learning algorithms has been implemented there, and the mail can be categorized. Similarly, machine learning is everywhere. Machine learning is there towards the virtual personal assistant. Alexa is there. You can ask anything to the Alexa, you'll get that information. Then machine learning is also helpful in medical sciences. If you want to detect the particular diagnosis, we have to diagnose particular disease. Machine learning is there. Share market, if you have to predict the particular share market price or future prediction, there is an inclusion of machine learning and data science also. Yes, talking about the data science, day by day, daily basis, we are generating huge amount of data. And that data that we comment, we text, we share some images, we chat, and day by day, on daily basis, huge amount of data is generated. But that data is not directly that much important for the decision makers. To find out some meaningful insights from the raw data and just giving that important insights of that particular data to the decision makers, so that decision makers can take the decision to improve their businesses, to just enhance their business opportunities. And as you know, Dr. Somwanshi sir has given the complete schedule about these 2 days. In the first day, we are having 3 important sessions. The first session will be conducted by Dr. Mallikarjun Hangarge sir. Then second session will be conducted by Dr. Chowhan sir. Then we have final session that we'll have practical approach will be given by Mr. N.D. Jagtap sir. Tomorrow's sessions are also very important. Dr. U.B. Kulkarni sir is there. Then we are having Dr. R.S. Hegde sir. And at last, but not the least, I take this opportunity once again that I would like to share. For this conference, we got 29 research papers. And one more good news that I am going to share over here. Today only, we got the digital object identifier for the international journal. That all research papers are listed in that international journal. And that is good news for all of us. We got that digital object identifier over here. And definitely within these 2 days, we'll have a very fruitful discussion, very interactive discussion, and whatever the queries that you have, you can directly ask to our resource person, and definitely I'm sure they will solve all your queries. That's it. Thank you for patiently listening, and once again, I'll say within these 2 days, whatever the research ideas are there, collaboratively we will work together and new initiatives will be taken based on these 2 days national conference. Thank you one and all for patient listening.
Thank you so much, sir. Your words were definitely informative for us about how the machine learning and artificial intelligence is increasing day by day in each and every sector. Thank you, sir.
Now, I would like to call upon Honorable Dr. Mallikarjun Hangarge sir, Associate Professor Karnatak, Art, Science and Commerce College, Bidar, to cheer the stage with the conference with valuable words.
Good morning to one and all. The Honorable President of Royal Education Society, Dr. M.R. Patil sir, today's Chief Guest, Dr. Sudhir Jagtap sir, the Principal of the College, N.S. Zulpe sir, and my friend Dr. S.S. Chowhan sir, the Vice Principal V.V. Bhosle sir, Vice Principal Dr. Somwanshi sir, and Head Organizing Secretary of this event, D.H. Mahamini, and all the dignitaries, those who are occupied in this dais, and the respected teachers and students. Today is a great occasion for us to have and interact regarding very recent and a burning topic, that is machine learning and data science. However, we are speaking day to day about the machine learning and data science. We are all teachers exposed to a number of things on machine learning as well as the data science. But however, the education institution like this, they are giving a big platform for the scholars, those who are interested to pursue the research. And the research has to come up with undergraduate itself. So that's also they are giving, and the number of students they are going to take the benefit of today's 2 days conference. So really these kind of activities has to happen in an academic institutions. Higher education institutions has to perform such kind of activities, because this is an encouragement for the budding engineers. It picks the graduates, research scholars or students. If you are not at all giving any platform to expose or to share their ideas, then a student or a teacher, they won't grow. So professional growth of a teacher is mandatorily needed. As we are observing, the higher education institution has been recently validating by the number of higher education, what you are calling the councils. For example, you can call NAC or NA like that. They are coming over the college and they are evaluating the quality of education, how they are delivering, what kind of activities they are doing. All these things are coming up. So the accreditation is now becoming a mandatory part. If you want to get any accreditation to the by the government, then all these activities are mandatorily has to happen in college. Not only for accreditation, to share the knowledge. So already professor has said about lot of things about the machine learning and data science. Anyway, bit of information I will share in my PowerPoint presentation. Basically, I would like to share with the Honorable President sir is here. So this any education, higher education institutions, if it want to sustain the quality of education, a teacher has to undergo the research. Research is mandatory now. Without research, you can't teach, because the teaching, the way of teaching differs. If you do research, 100% a teacher, he will teach differently. So the research has to be mandatorily, every education institutions has to take up, and they have to collaborate, they have to cooperate, they have to have a linkage with the industry, and they have to bring the linkage of different industry partnership like that. So these kind of activities, if you do in any higher education institution, that 100% it will achieve the goal. Because nowadays students are coming, and recently it is I congratulate, because first of all I congratulate the organizing committee members. They have today itself they have got 29 articles have listed in a journal. It's a great, because publishing article is one thing, and publishing article, a quality article is the another thing. There are two ways of things are there. Nowadays you are listening that to calculate an API score, a teacher has to publish an article in Scopus indexing, an article in UGC K list. Why this mandatory terminology has been imposed by the government? Because somewhere the government is observing the research is not happening correctly. So this is an observation. A research is only to get some kind of an increment or to kind of promotion or kind of benefits from the government. It should not happen. A quality research has to come out. A quality patents has to come out. A quality publication has to come out. So that is the basic concept of the research. We are doing a lot of things, but unable to. If you compare the research statistics across the world, we are very low. We are at the very, very low level, because we are not publishing the quality articles. Where we are missing it, because quality, the term quality, it has the different meaning. So number of research articles what we are looking at presently, so they have no quality research. So some kind of extension research or something kind of tools are coming out, so that using tools they are doing something. So that should not happen in any higher education institution. So why I am talking, basically we are the teachers, we are responsible persons to build a society. The entire society, the graduates, young graduates, those who are coming to the education institution, they depend on us. If we provide the quality education, then only the students, they will get the good career in future. So what I would like to say is that higher education institution like such a institution, now since I think I have visited this college in 2016 probably, because since then I have close relation with a number of faculty members here. I am looking at it. So a lot of developments are coming up. So this has to be taken place with every education institutions, and professors themselves, a lot of doctorates holders are here. Recently they have completed and they have published the papers also. This indication is the best indication for this institution. And I am expecting from after few years, they may get some patents also. Already Dr. S.S. Chowhan, he has got number of patents. He was the principal of this college since 2 decades or before 15 years probably. He has got 7 or 6 patents. It is a great achievement. Because getting patent it makes it gives a motivation to the teacher, and he will become not only to publish a paper with a particular algorithm, he will prepare himself to produce a product, because product level work is essential now. Instead of publishing one algorithm in a paper is not sufficient. You have to think the entire work, what research you are carrying, that it has to come out in the form of a product, and it should be useful for the society. So then only we will get some important what you call the appreciation from the society. So with this, I thank the organizers, particularly I thank the principal sir and the president sir, because they have invited me here. They have given me an opportunity to share with you some information about the machine learning and data science. Thank you, Anurag. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Definitely the attendees and the presenters have got the brief information about the conference. Thank you.
After this, I request all the present dignitaries to please unveil the conference solemnly. All the researchers and presenters have got the platform, or we can say the chance to express, to present their innovative ideas through this national conference. I request you all to please give a huge round of applause. Thank you so much, everyone. After this, I request Honorable Dr. Sudhir Jagtap sir to please converse or chair this conference with few words of yours. Dr. Sudhir Jagtap sir, Chairman Board of Studies Computer Science, SRT Marathwada University, Nanded.
Good morning to and all. The two-day National Conference on Machine Learning and Data Science. The president of this conference, Dr. Patil sir. Dr. Patil sir is my mentor, my guru. We together started this institution. Sir has started this COCSIT in Latur, and me and my team started it. While working together, now what is the age of me? The sir was in that age, and my age at that time is only 26 years. So in that age, whenever, I don't know, how we come together and working together since last 26 years. Whenever I disappointed while running the institutions, sir has given me the boost, the energy, and due to him only I am able to run so many institutions like pharmacy, nursing, computer science, running the CBSE schools only due to his guidance. I never come across the ego and like this. So I mentioned sir is my mentor. And I also want to mention, I feel that the sir is the Pitama in computer education in this area. So I had some sir, due to you only I am able to from the institutions. So now the other guest of this today's conference is Dr. Mallikarjun Hangarge sir. I met earlier in 22 years back in Karnatak College when I was the student in MSc. That time my friend Dr. M.S. Jalwa sir and his colleague Dr. M.S. Jalwa sir. So after long this gap we met on this platform. Now he is the principal of the Karnatak College, Bidar, and Dr. S.S. Chowhan sir. We work together in so many times universities. We work in like paper setting, in board of studies, and so many times. So we remember once again your work, and I congratulate to you. You have taken lots of patent. That is the ideal for this today's youngster, young scientist and researcher. Then Dr. N.D. Jagtap sir is the certified trainer and consultant director of this college. The principal Dr. N.S. Zulpe sir of this college is continuously in touch with me so many times, sir. You need to come for this conference. I really appreciate your efforts you have taken for the making success of this conference. Vice Principal of this college, Dr. V.V. Bhosle sir, Dr. D.R. Somwanshi sir, and Organizing Secretary of this conference is Dr. D.H. Mahamini sir, and all the dignitaries of the dais and of the dais, the faculty, research scholar, students. This is the hot topic what today's conference is on data science and the machine learning. Zulpe sir and the convener Dr. Somwanshi sir already explained about the machine, how the machine learning will help and the data science. Actually, data science is a multidisciplinary word. Earlier it was the computer science, computer application, information technology. These are the outward words now, and now the new word is coined, and that is the data science. And of course, it comes under the machine learning, artificial intelligence. As you know that the richest man in the world, Elon Musk, he used all these concepts in his business. You know, he developed and he is working with NASA, the space engine, the space passenger engine he has developed, because nowadays the space engine is used only for the research. But now those who want to travel journey in the space, he made the engine, the Elon Musk. And when I gone through the Elon Musk, the biography, he never come across what is the degree of his colleague. He always given the importance to the knowledge. He always given the importance to the skills. So the skills and knowledge is very much required in today's. Because Dr. Hangarge sir also mentioned that the quality research is required in today's life. Because everyone is doing the research. Everyone is taking a master degree. But that must be useful for the society. Like Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, his thesis, what was he has submitted in London. And on that thesis, the Reserve Bank was established. So likewise, such research, quality research is required, and I hope this research will come out through such national conferences. And as you know that Elon Musk also has launched without driver the car, Tesla. So in Tesla, the data science, machine learning, and all this NLP, the Dr. S.S. Chowhan is going to deliver the lecture on NLP. So these are nowadays very much the part and parcel of our life. So I hope so. Through this conference, definitely the researcher and the students may get some valuable research contribution in these two areas. So I wish to this conference for the grand success, and I am very thankful that you have called me, honored me for this conference as a chief guest. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sudhir sir. As you say that this conference is really going to be beneficial for each and everyone present over here about the data science or machine learning related topics. Also, as you added that Honorable M.R. Patil sir is a really very inspirational person for you. Also, the students, those who are learning in this college right now, we feel that we are blessed that one way or the other way we are studying under you only. But so yeah, this is the one thing that you are our teacher, really very inspirational. After this, I would like to call on the stage Honorable Dr. M.R. Patil sir to please come and share a few words of yours. Honorable Dr. M.R. Patil sir, President Royal Educational Society, Latur.
Chief guest of this conference, Chairman, Board of Studies in Computer Science, also the President of the Learning Sections of the Bidar, Dr. Sudhir Jagtap, Guest of Honor, Principal Dr. Mallikarjun, Hangarge, Associate Professor, Dr. S.S. Chowhan, our one-time colleague, Associate Professor working in JAIN University, Bangalore, another guest whose name is not printed here is Mr. Chirman Patil, their president of some time. Our principal, Dr. Zulpe, Vice Principal Dr. Somwanshi, Dr. Mahamini, and our Consultant Director, Jagtap. Dear participants and friends, I will talk in a nutshell. I would like to take a review of scientific advancement during last 70-75 years. We have witnessed the progress in respect of transportation from Latur to space shuttle. And in the year 1971, one discovery made a huge revolution. Microprocessor. Microprocessor, we know, was invented by Intel. And we find many machines day and night after. Intel inside. We have put it. And now Intel doesn't appear anywhere. So this microprocessor to NVIDIA AI superchip that is today this story and has caused a lot of creating the different walks of life workers in different walks of life. The basis of all these advancements, we know, is only research, technology advancement. So research, we are ignorant till now about these topics, data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, almost ignorant. So we may regard this program, conference, as a literacy program for these subjects. And we should make it a point to make this research a hobby. We should make this as a part of our daily routine. Research is not to be done totally by giving up our business. Along with doing our regular job, we can continue to think in that direction. This was a nice opportunity for you to submit research papers. And appeal was made accordingly by the principal to all you. And only some 7 or 8 people that submitted the opportunity was there. We could have submitted research paper. It's difficult to write first research paper. But when you start doing it, you will find it easier to submit such research papers on such occasions which are available during the whole year. One thing I will make it clear that this particular conference is not organized for the NAC purpose. It is for we people to get benefited from this. NAC had nothing to do much about such conferences now. The more of assessment and that has changed. There is binary accreditation now. Accredited or non-accredited. Levels don't matter much for us. International levels and national level organization, we are variety institutions situated in COCSIT part of this country. So we will be organizing such conferences, okay, regularly, periodically, just to inculcate this feeling in your mind, research attitude. I thank the guests coming from outside, Dr. Sudhir Jagtap, Mallikarjun, Hangarge sir, Dr. Chowhan, for making their valuable time available for us. Same time, I express my gratitude to them. And I finally hope this conference will make the purpose for which we are organized. I wish this conference a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Your words were very inspirational and informative for all the activities present over here.
After this, I would like to it gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this inaugural function of two-day national conference on machine learning and data science. I would like to thank the chief guest of today's program for taking the valuable time from the busy schedule and be a part of this program. After this, I would like to thank all the attendees, staff members, and all the dignitary members. I announce that the inaugural function of this today conference has ended here. After the 10-minute gap, the first session of today's conference, which will be held by the keynote speaker, respected Dr. Mallikarjun Hangarge sir. After the 10-minute gap, I would like to request sir to please continue your session, the first session of today's conference. Thank you everyone.